Hi, I'm John Lowenthal with KBRS. I'm here today with Wayne McQuag, owner of Preferred Tile in Statesboro, Georgia. Wayne, how long have you been using the KBRS system?
About a year and a half now.
What caused you to make the change to the KBRS system from traditional mud beds?
I just looking for more speed and efficiency, and mud beds break down over time, and this product will never do that. So,
You speak of the speed and efficiency. Can you quantify how that sped you up?
we can prep 3 showers a day now and start tiling versus prepping one and having to let it sit till the next day and dry out.
And you spoke about the prep process. Is there anything about that process that's changed with the KBRS system?
Not really. It's you ain't got the mess it takes to do it, and it's just a lot easier to drop in and pretty simple process.
Well, when you're going by jobs and you're checking, is there anything with the KBRS, you do have to get the better measurements on the front end?
Get better measurements on the front end, make sure the substrate's good and level so the drain works properly, and really follow the waterproof instructions and you're good to go.
What do your builders and installers think about the KBRS system?
Installers love it. That's definitely saving them time. The builders like it for the warranty and the whole process of it, and of course the speediness of it too. So,
Do you have any tips that you've learned while installing the KBRS system that you'd like to share?
make sure your drains are measured properly, waterproof good and tight, and substrate's good and level.
And finally, what would you say to someone who's never used the KBRS system?
I would highly recommend it. At least try it once. It's a great product.
Great, Wayne. Well, I appreciate your time today.
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot for letting us come out.